Hello guys, so this tutorial is for some of us that naturally don't have coily hair but want to achieve, coily look, coily hair without heat. Alright, because heat damages the hair. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I curl my hair. So sorry guys, most of the time I'm going to be looking this way because this is where my mirror is facing. So basically I'm parting my hair. What I do is I part my hair. It doesn't have to be neat or something, like the partition doesn't have to be perfect. Then I comb through and then I twist. I'm just gonna do this all round. So the next step will be I have to start wrapping it. First twist and go like this. And if your hair doesn't stay, you have to use a band to hold it together. But mine stays, so I'm going to wrap my hair and carry it to tomorrow. So you have to leave this for a couple of hours. Alright, so I'm just gonna go to bed with this. Then tomorrow morning I'll unwrap it and show you guys how it turned out. So this is actually a bit difficult for me because I didn't have like little hair bands I could use to hold it in place and all that. So it keeps going up, but I'm gonna tie my hair right now and lose it tomorrow. So I'll show you guys how it turned out. This is how I wrapped it. I'm just gonna take it off, and I use this underneath because this is totally cotton. If I use just this, it's gonna soak up the moisture in my hair. So I'm just gonna unwrap it now and I'll show you guys. Basically I'm just rolling it out. Now that I'm done unrolling it, I'm just gonna start separating, so that way it looks fuller. Just to be sure you guys know what I'm doing, I'm just basically dividing each strand. Now do this lightly to make your hair appear fuller. So you can style it whichever way you want after achieving the curls and all that. So I'm gonna go style the way I want. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.